Order flow is a big topic. Order flow is sign transaction volume. You know, every trade has a direction. You look at all the ticker tape. Oh, what, somebody execute 100 shares of Apple. Oh, and others execute 300 shares in Amazon. Oh, someone execute a 300 shares in Tesla. What does it mean by direction? What do you mean by this? This is a buy order and this is a sell order. Doesn't each order have to have both a buy and sell side? What do you mean that this order is positive, this order is negative? Well, it matters because if an order is a buy market order, it has a positive sign. If an order is initiated by a sell market order, it has a negative sign. So on the lit exchange, every order is the result of a matching of a market order or a marketable limit order versus a limit order on the limit order book. You cannot have two market orders interact with each other. And you cannot also have two limit orders interact with each other unless one is a marketable limit order. So therefore, every execution has a sign, plus or minus, and you can use that sign, accumulate it, and that is a strong trading signal. Many research papers have written about it. It's a strong trading signal, and also that's why people don't, you know, if they want to hide this information, they use dark pool, because dark pool does not generate order flow. Think about it. Why? Because dark pool, all the orders are matched at the midpoint. There's no buy or sell market order. Everybody put the order in a limit order pool, and there's a matching engine. So the reason people use dark pool is to avoid generating order flow. Why? Because order flow leak information. It leak information, and that's what we talk about in this course as well. So now I know that I'm coming up on the 30 minutes. So you know, there's just tremendous amount of paper that discuss how to estimate order flow and what is the order flow impact on the trading strategy. So we would describe quite a bit of that with some exercises in this course as well.